or caprahircus were among the first domesticated animals adapted from the wild bizarre ibex in Western Asia. Bizarre ibex are native to the southern slopes of Zagros and Taurus mountains in Iran, Iraq, and Turkey. Evidence shows that goats spread globally and played an important role in the advancement of Neolithic agricultural technology wherever they went. Today, over 300 breeds of goats exist in our planet, living on every continent except Antarctica. They thrive in an astonishing range of environments, from human settlements and tropical rainforests to dry, hot desert and cold, hypoxic high altitudes.
Goat is one of the oldest domesticated species of animal, according to archaeological evidence that its earliest domestication occurred in Iran at 10,000 calibrated calendar years ago.
Location of first domestication. The first archaeological evidence of goat domestication traced back in the Fertile Crescent about 10 years ago. The earliest remains of domesticated goats, dating 10,000 years before the present, are found in Janji-Daran in Iran. Goat remains have been found at archaeological sites in Jericho, Joga Mami, Liyunton, and Kayuni, dating domestication of goats in Western Asia at between 8,000 and 9,000 years ago.
The domestication of goats. Researchers had suggested that the goat and sheep split into two species approximately 25 million years ago, and the hypothesis was the domestication of the goats started about 11,000 years ago near the Euphrates River Valley at the location of Nebalikori, Turkey. Adjustment to new lands. Two scientists named Makarewicz and Turos had discovered that in the isotopes they were inspecting in Israel, a species called the Basta goat had a different diet than other species there, which was the gazelle. This led to the discovery that the goats were already been moved to wetter areas in the lands around the years 8,500 and had access to many plants that there were available to eat. Spreading of goats. Through changings of goods and services, goats ended up spreading towards Africa to the Ethiopian highlands through the years 6500 BC. Coming to America. The first goats to be brought to America by English settlers during the span of 1600s, the stock of goats weren't big until 1800s. Texas became the center of production from goats, and up until the 1900s, the South were the only parts where pure Spanish goats survived. Today's world of goats. As of today, there are over 300 species of goats living from almost every part of the world, from the South Asia countries to countries in the Middle East, in conditions hot and cold and every difficult places to live. This is very astonishing revelation showing how goats have really changed the world.
Traits of the domesticated goat. Domestic goats are usually somewhere between 100 and 120 pounds. These members of the family Bovidae exist in an array of different coat colors, including brown, tan, red, black, and white. Some domestic goats also have several different colors on their coats. Females tend to be smaller than males. Domestic goats display horns that are erect rather than curling, and both genders can have them same as beards.